In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your fixed assets using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a financial manager, a business owner, or just someone looking to keep your accounts in order, understanding how to handle fixed assets is essential. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to QuickBooks Online and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll find the dashboard rich with options, but don't be overwhelmed. Our next step is clicking on the Advanced Accounting section, which you can find on the left side menu panel. Just a heads up, this is where a lot of in-depth financial data and the management options live, so take your time getting familiar with it. After you've navigated to the Advanced Accounting section, click on Fixed Assets. This section is crucial for recording and tracking the life cycle of your business's tangible assets. You'll want to make sure you have all relevant documents on hand, such as purchase receipts and depreciation schedules, to input precise information. Next up, click on Add an Asset. This is where you'll start entering the details of the asset you want to add. Begin by typing in the asset name, and feel free to include a description that overviews its importance or functionality within your operations. This is particularly helpful for anyone else who may refer to this in future. Moving forward, it's time to input further details, including the asset's price, purchase date, and when the depreciation starts. You'll also need to decide on a depreciation method, whether it's straight line, double decline, or 150% accelerated. Each of these methods has its own set of advantages depending on how quickly you want the asset depreciated, so choose carefully. You'll also want to settle on the useful life of the asset and its salvage value, which is essentially what you expect to recover after its useful life is ended. Now let's talk account details. You'll need to select an account where the asset's value will be recorded. You can choose from existing accounts or add a new one if none currently fit. The same goes for the accumulated depreciation account. This part helps you keep track of how much the asset has depreciated over time, enabling you to accurately reflect its current value. Lastly, don't forget to select or add a depreciation expense account. This account will be used to record the depreciation expense of the asset each accounting period. Once all these details are entered, click on Save. Congratulations, you've successfully added a fixed asset to your QuickBooks account. You can now view the details of your fixed assets and begin managing them more effectively, ensuring your accounting records are always up to date and accurate. We hope you found this guide helpful in navigating QuickBooks Online for fixed asset management. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.